Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please search for Control Panel. Okay, so the moment you've typed that, please go to the best match and then click on Open to proceed. Okay. So just have to wait until you are being redirected here to the control panel window. If your view doesn't look like this, proceed to view by and change it into category. Once done, directly proceed to network and internet, click on it. And here you can see two options. Please proceed on network and sharing center. Click on it. And here you need to select this, click on it under aligning the connections. And you need to go with properties. Okay, and the moment this Wi-Fi properties will appear, here you need to select for Internet Protocol version 6. Make sure that this box is unchecked. Once you have unchecked it, click on OK, and then close this window and then close this internet options as well. Okay, check if your problem has been fixed. And let's if it doesn't, then we will be navigating the same process. Okay, here at the bottom search bar, please type for control panel. The moment you have typed that, you need to go with the best match. Please click on open to continue. Okay. So here at the control panel window, go back to network and internet, click on it, and go again to network and sharing center. Click again this link or option aligning the connections, and then go with properties once again beside disable. Okay, just have to go with this time Internet Protocol version 4. Okay, select it and go with properties. Once you have selected the properties, make sure that this obtain an IP address automatically is turned on. But in your case, if this obtain DNS server address is automatically is turned on, just have to switch it here to use the following DNS server addresses. Okay? So just have to type it here, the best Google's DNS, which is 8.8.8 and 8. Okay, and set the alternate DNS server into 8.8.4.4, and then we are actually setting the best Google's DNS, aligning the preferred DNS server, and we are setting the alternate DNS server into the second best Google's DNS. Once you have set it, you should have to click on OK and then close this window, and might as well close this window as well. Okay. So this time you need to check again if your problem has been fixed. Unless if it doesn't, then we need to bound to our last step. Okay, our last step will be here at the bottom search bar. Please type for CMD. And the moment you've typed it, a best match will appear. Here you need to go with run as administrator. So the moment you click on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just proceed with yes. Okay, here please type for ipconfig space / flush DNS. Okay. The moment you have typed it, just have to click on enter. And once it says here, successfully flush the DNS resolver cached, just have to proceed on typing net as such space winsock space reset. Okay, let me just paste it here. And since the paste option is grayed out, I'll be just using my control V in my keyboard and now it's here. Just have to click and enter and it is being successfully reset the Winsa catalog. Just have to close this window and this is the time that you need to restart your computer. Okay, so there is a need to restart your computer in order to make changes on the actions that we have performed earlier. Okay, so don't worry because the moment you have restarted your computer, it's very harmless. It will only apply the actions that we have just, performed, as what I have said. Okay, So those are the three steps on how to fix your problem. If you think those steps helped you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.